Man, get out of the fucking way!
Hello.
Daniel! I can just see your phone. I can't see anything but like a. I know I can't see a bloody thing.
You can't.
Can't see a bloody thing now. It doesn't matter. It's not the end of the world. It says it's trying to autofocus as it's recording.
Amazing.
It's going to be a terrible video. Terrible video. It's terrible. Hello.
Hey, you should.
I know.
Matt, you can hardly see anything on that.
Oh
Anyway.
dear. Yeah, I know.
This is why people like your system.
What?
This is why people like your system. You look like a gimp.
Yep.
No, they have a slightly different.
No,
I'm just saying. I'm putting this on YouTube, and all the video is going to consist of is you two saying, "This is why you prefer each other's sisters." So, you know. On video.
Can you see me?
Yeah. Well, it will be on the rendered video. Yeah.
Edit it. Put the contrast way up.
You're not even hitting me.
Yeah,
It just
well.
hurt my ears.
Stop fucking fuck!
Just there in the corner, like.
These fireworks are appalling. I surrender! I just like the fact they're playing shitty
Appalling
music.
fireworks are appalling. What's your opinion?
budget fireworks.
Houndland fireworks.
Houndland fireworks.
I know, I think she looks funny as fuck in the video as well. She's supposed to be fit, she looks weird as fuck in the video for the wall.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
You first of all,
I can't even say the word wall. They're not going well. I mean,
Smell them from here. Get
Is
rid
it
of
the
them.
smell of ashes?
let me daddy.
Or is it the smell of like bones, crushed bones?
No, it's the smell of fireworks.
Ah, that's a shame.
It is.
It's a disappointment.
Anyway, I live in
Are they finished?
Is it fucked up?
Abby can give you a lift. Where's Abby gone?
Is that it?
Yes. It was.